Hello. For this problem, test the claim that the mean GPA of night students is larger than 3.2 at the 0.01 significance level. The null and alternative hypothesis. We want to test that it's larger than 3.2. Now, the null is always equal to. And we know it's 3.2, so it's one of the 3.2 ones. We want to test larger, so the alternative should be larger than. And so it would be this one, because it said mean and not proportion. Notice there's p's, those would be proportions, but mean is mu, and we wanted greater than, so it's this one. Because we're testing greater than, that would be a right tail, because you could go by the arrow, but greater than goes to the right, less than would be left, and not equal to is two tails. Now to find the test statistic and the critical value, under the chapter 9, you can find hypothesis testing for mean, and when you open that, you'll see this. And you fill in right here. So our sample size was 55. Population mean comes from the null and alternative hypothesis, so it's 3.2. The sample mean, based on a sample of 55, the sample mean was 3.22. And a standard deviation of 0.03. Our alpha, that's your significance level up here, is 0.01. And then your test statistic is t, it's right here. And then to find the critical value, it's on the right side of this chart. So if I move this down, here's the critical value. And it was right-tailed, so it's the positive 2.397. There. And then it tells us a right-tailed test, alternative hypothesis is greater than a certain number. And if we go over here then, we reject the null hypothesis. And it tells you here, if the claim is in the null hypothesis is rejected, there's enough evidence to reject the claim. Well, this one doesn't ask those parts, but when they do, it's here.